Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, I got me a little short video right here today. Felt like me some nice good oven baked ribs the other day, and I wanted to do something different with it, so I decided to go in my cabinet and I found me a bottle of that nice good sweet chipotle sauce that I hadn't even opened yet. So I'm gonna get some of that on top of my ribs, get it in the oven, sauce it up, and we're gonna have us a nice good sweet chipotle barbecue ribs. Alrighty guys, so here's my short list of ingredients right here. Got me some ribs right here that I got from Costco. These come 3 in the pack. I'm only going to be using 1 slab of this. And I got my sweet chipotle sauce. I did me some sweet chipotle chicken one time and that was so good. I got me some more of the sauce, but I actually forgot I had it, and finally I remembered about it yesterday, so I said I'm going to do me some ribs with it. And then sauce has a nice flavor to it, a little heat, but nothing too overbearing. So I just seasoned my ribs up with my normal seasonings: black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, seasoning, salt. Then I'm going to go ahead and get some of my sauce on the top here and get that kind of rubbed in. Now if I hadn't decided to do this at the last minute, guys, on Sunday, I would have definitely added my sauce, because you could use this as a marinate. I would have used this as a marinate on my ribs. That way all of the flavors of the sauce would get deep down into our ribs, but it still turned out pretty good. Next time I'll just make sure I marinate it overnight. Give it a really good flavor. I just want to kind of rub that in a little bit. Alright, that's rubbed in pretty good, and get this one rubbed in. And I did ended up adding a little bit more sauce to it. I didn't think I added enough the first time, so I did add a little bit more of it off camera. And now this is ready to go in the oven. Gonna cover it, put it in the oven for, this went for about 2.5 hours on 350, because this particular piece of ribs was kind of thick. I let it go about 2.5 hours on 350. And after I got it out of the oven, just added some more sauce to it, put it back in the oven. I'm trying to see now when the slide is going to come up. Coming up right now. There it goes right there. This is it out of the oven. You can see that looks pretty good already. Come in here and check it for tenderness, and you can see how it bends nice and easily like that. That lets you know that this bad boy is nice and tender. So all I'm gonna do is come and put my barbecue sauce on the top, and that was where I made a boo-boo. I had a little brain cramp, because I wanted to add a little bit more of that sweet chipotle sauce on the top, but got ahead of myself and added my barbecue sauce first, and just completely forgot to add the other sauce to it. But it all worked out in the end, because this thing was absolutely delicious. Alright, so once you got the sauce like that, put that under the broiler. Actually is what I did for about 10 minutes, guys. You want to keep an eye on it. You do not want to burn it, which I do like a little chow on it, but you don't want to burn it. So put that back under the broiler for a few minutes, and this is what we have right here. Nice, beautiful ribs, nice and tender. It is ready to fall apart if I push on it any harder. Alright, so all I did was just cut a few pieces off and plated it up. Took my thumbnails and my videos, and I'm going to give this a taste test for you guys. This is a nice, good, tender chipotle ribs. Alright guys, coming in with a quick taste test. This is my sweet chipotle barbecue ribs. We're gonna jump into this thing, guys. We're not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna get fancy with it, because this thing is still super hot. So I'm gonna come in here Super tender too. Look at that. I'm just gonna come in here and get a piece of it. I can't pick that up, that's too hot. Look at the smoke coming off that thing. See, that's a beautiful rib, not as tender rib. Alright, going in. Don't burn my mouth too bad. Oh my God. That is so tender. And that sweet chipotle sauce absolutely penetrated that ribs when you bake it on top of that ribs for 2.5 to 3 hours. Then you top it off with that nice good barbecue sauce. Look at that. So good. Another taste. You guys definitely gotta make that. Alrighty guys, so you can see how absolutely tender this rib was. If you add that sauce to it, let it sit overnight, I know that it's going to be so much better. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And also please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and I'm on Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace.